ma pacho ka kanyakla kod jotich mag osiptandno Mama Lucy Kibaki oriwore ka kwedo dwaro mar od bura mar Senate mancha opedho mondo mi lor osiptal mar Mama Lucy. Ma kaluwore gi nonro ma osebed kitimo ewi tho mar miyo moro manyocha ne owito ngimane e kinde manoriko konyore osiptandno mochwe wito nyathine. Jochiw thieth go wacho ni senators onge kod ng'eyo kata lony moro amora ewi weche mag thieth. Omiyo gionge kod teko mar lolo osiptandno ma giwacho ni thoro thiedho ji manyalo romo milion 2.1 modak e boma ma Nairobi. Giwacho ni loro osiptandno biro hinyo ganda ma thoro yudo thieth kanyo kod jotije ma yudo yutogi kokalo osiptandno ka koro gikwayo piny owacho mondo bere od thieth mar Mama Lucy Kibaki kaka achiel kuom yore mag jiwo weche mag thieth thurka.
In this hospital to condemn what is going on in the media with the strongest term possible. One, we are aware that we have had cases in this hospital, and we need to make it very clear that some of the cases which have been happening here are systemic issues, are not directly related to Mama Lucy Kibaki in particular. Because some of these have been blown out of proportion, we need to make it very clear that our staff working in this hospital are more than committed. They work extra hours to ensure that we give patients the best that we could.
Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital, in a span of 2 months, has a total number of deliveries close to more than 2,000. When you sit at Senate and think of closing such a facility, where do you think the 2,000 plus mothers will go to get these services? Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital is a level 5 county hospital that serves quite a number of people. So this shenanigans of thinking of closing it down should be a thing of the past. Let those senators concentrate on the key issues that are affecting health so that they can come up with solutions, long-lasting solutions and long-term solutions to help the ailing challenges in health.